Hobbiton, everyone. Is everyone excited to be here? So enjoy the flat for a minute, everybody. Be careful of that yellow hobbit hole. A thief lives there. Watch your purses, watch your cameras. But never mind. Okay, everyone. This is the penthouse suite of Hobbit holes. It doesn't get any fancier than this. It's right at the top of the hill, and look at how many windows they have. Windows are a sign of wealth and status for hobbits, and Bag End has them 180 degrees around the hill. My favourite window is the big one just around the corner. That's the one that Gandalf pulls Sam through when he catches him eavesdropping in the Fellowship of the Ring. Windy! Look at the wind! Look at the tree! How does our tree look? Does it look any more artificial? Yeah. That wind is very helpful to prove my point, which is it doesn't move right in the wind. And the reason it doesn't move right in the wind is because it is covered in 250,000 plastic leaves. This is actually the third version of this tree. The first tree was a real oak tree that was found on a neighbouring property, cut down and brought and reassembled here on top of the Hobbit hole. That was for the Lord of the Rings. They demolished that set, and then when they decided to rebuild it permanently this time for the Hobbit, they needed a permanent solution, so they built a tree out of stainless steel, expanding foam and silicone.
要踩它的草就可以了。那个。
Nicely decorated inside. If anyone wishes to pick up the cheese if you wish. I want to know what's in this that gives it such a weight. The flowers, yes, they are.
Oh.
Pretty much everything that grows in the ground is real, apart from our tree.
Looks like you can go in.
They are very, very similar. They are not identical. There are different characters who live in different Hobbit holes. You're only going to go through one today, but whichever one you choose, they're very similar inside. These guys have a grandmother.
Yeah, once you get through this.
Price comparison 了，看这样小间。You are the family tree. What? 是他的厨房。 可以坐下来再讲。嗯。要。这个刀不能拿起来，他守住。有。
Up in just a minute, all right? We're going to get there by going along this wildlife path, and we're going to go out to the Green Dragon. We are going to spend about 20 to 25 minutes at the Green Dragon, okay? And then at 7:50, sorry, 7:00.
这是真的农场。Fine Green Amber Ale。
有，你看人家嘴唇要裂的。
要裂。多少
5块。
哦 ，OK。还蛮平静来的。对吧？来，Good boy， 坐好来。
你的衣服没有系起来。
OK， 坐好 ，Good boy。Good boy，OK， 坐好来。Yeah。还会回来这里？
不会啊，来一次就够了。我来了。上来。
The borders of the Shire. It is here I must leave you.
Welcome back. Well, I hope that you enjoyed yourselves, and I just wanted to thank you again for coming along and experiencing Hobbiton. Very, very proud of that. That's a little special magical place, as I'm sure you'll agree down.
Summer barley in the lower fields.
And thus it was